Alright guys, new video today. I'm going to show you how to redeem on S'more. I have 100 points, that's 10 cents a day. To redeem, just go here, click on Amazon, redeem, and there you go. And then check your email. Click here, redeem now. Oops, gotta copy the code. Apply to my balance. Voila, there you go, $17. That easy, guys. I will leave the link in the description.